We have spent over 100 million naira. It's a very long story. My name is Ogulebe Desmond, by the grace of God, the Secretary of APPRETISE Association. In 2006, the land that was legally allocated to us by Abuja Municipal Area Council, the former minister, El-rufai, gave us 48 hours to demolish all the shop without reallocation or compensation. Now, during that incident, many of our members died as a result of great shock. In 2009-2010, we now do a letter to the then Honorable Minister, Senator Bala Mohammed. By the grace of God, a land was allocated to us at at Waru. The former Upper Regional Planning Assistant Director, Wale Aderiton, introduced a surveyor to us, Earth Moving Services Nigeria Limited. Earth Moving Services Nigeria Limited. The man charged us 10.5 million naira for the perimeter survey. We levy all our members, we pay that money. Within a trick of an eye, he told us again that a very superior man in the government took the land away from us. Now, later they now gave us Wasa in 2015. We still spend money. As I speak now, the money we have spent on that our land is over 100 million naira. Everything that required by the land department in the FCTA, we have done it. Perimeter survey, two-post survey, everything related to the land we have done it. Even feasibility report. Now, when they gave us the letter of intent in 2015, they gave us 3 conditions. Acceptance letter to be written within 2 weeks, which we did. We submitted our acceptance letter, and there was another condition again, the signing of the lease agreement between us and the FCTA. It was the legal department that drafted that lease agreement in 2015. We have signed our own part since 2015, but FCTA refused to sign that lease agreement with the former Honorable Minister. During the era of that, the past minister, Musa Bello, we have written over 50 letters. Any day you see us, don't worry, we within 2 weeks come and collect your lease agreement. That was how that Honorable Minister did, though he couldn't give us that lease agreement. Sir, as I speak now, many of our members are dying every day because we are training on the road corridor. If you think deeply and record back, during NSAS protests, we lost 2 lives. And we lost properties worth of billion naira. Why? Because we are trading on the road corridor. If you go to a place like Oladipo, where the protest really took place, nobody died. Even good to hear, they locked their gates when the incident happened. But because we are trading on the road corridor, they kill all 2 of our members and all our properties. Bones. You saw those cars on television. Now, the present ES now, Ahmed Hadi, he was as of that time, 2015, he was the Assistant Director, Engineering. He was the Secretary on the Materials Task Force set up by the former Minister, Senator Bala Mohammed. He was the Secretary. And he gave us condition that if the only way they can give us that land, if we can bear all the expenses that will be done on that land, they will give us that land. Every directors in FCTA, they were present in the meeting. Where's my documents? All are come. Let me show the media. All of them were present in the meeting. And at the end, Hadi did know up to now, Hadi is playing games. He's the executive secretary of the FCTA now, FCTA. Hadi is playing games. Even the director of the settlement, the former director, Perpetual Hama, there was a meeting that was held in FCTA. The woman told us that we should go. That within 2 weeks we come and collect our signed lease agreement. We don't really know what is happening. What is happening to our land? We have spent money over 100 million naira. Just look at in Atas we are over 10,000 members. Some of us we have our children in the university, which we are training. Every day they will move on from here to here. Every day we move on from here to here in every part of APPRETISE. Right now as I speak, the road construction is very close to us. What do we do? We are not animals. We are humans. So that is why this morning we cry to our honorable minister, Mr. Project himself. We know he likes project. We know he's a good man. He will listen to us. He's a father. He will listen to his children. Many directors in the FCTA here, they don't tell them the truth. I know they will not tell him the truth. Hadi is the one that showed us the land. Is the present ES. He was the one that took us to the land. He was the secretary of that ministerial task force. The minister is here. All the directors in FCTA were there. We don't know the problem of Hadi, that he doesn't want to agree to what we have agreed. This money we have spent, government did not give us ₦1. Even the house that was demolished in 2006, they didn't reallocate us. They didn't give us. They did no compensation. We are spending our own money. We are Nigerians. So my chairman will still say more.
Support injustice. We are children. We are citizens of this country. We are law-abiding citizens. We do a business that is not bad business. We support to build Abuja and make sure Abuja is moving forward. We are here today not to protest or disturb the peace of the FCT, but we are here, first of all, to thank Wike for the good work he's doing in Abuja. If you watch around, you see all the road is well connected, working very well. The road is connecting. Within some months here, he being in office, while there are some ministers who stay 8 years, they couldn't do anything. We thank him for that. It's not easy. But the second thing that brings us here, as my secretary have said, he have pointed so many things there, but I want to add so many things there. Sir, we are not animal. The FCTA and FCT are treating us like animal. Why did I say so? We have cried, we have done so many things, we have spent our money. We pay our taxes. We try all possible best to make sure our people didn't commit any crime. And they do the normal business they're supposed to do. There's no a country, a state that don't need mechanic and spare parts dealers. Without mechanic and spare parts dealers, cars cannot move. They are the one that make automobile to work very well in any state. Why did I say so? We have suffered in Abuja since we came to this Abuja. We started from Gariki. They moved on from Gariki to Apo. They located the plot there. We built, spent billions of naira there. It was demolished under 48 hours. No compensation, nothing. They asked us to move to Buffer Zone where we are today. That little time they will find somewhere to give us. We moved there. We have been there since 2006 to today. They are moving up there from one place to another, spending millions of naira to be shifting us. The last shifting we did is this road. They are doing the road now. The FCDA and the contractor meet us, say where we are, we block little way of doing the road, we should shift back. We spend millions of naira to shift it back again. Now, if we have the permanent side, this problem will not be working on. We're supposed to be in our permanent place, doing our business, not shifting from place to place. Please, my honorable Commissioner of Police, our senior brother, and other police that's with him, please, we need you to help us to talk to the minister. What is our issue? This agreement, let them sign it. So that we can move there, begin to develop it. To develop a plot is not easy. It takes us years. If they have signed it since 2011, we started this journey. This land was applied by APPRETISE Association. They didn't come and give to us. We applied. They give us conditions. All the conditions, we do it. Up to today, they are playing game with us. Yes, some of the directors, they wanted to steal the land because we didn't agree on what they want. They want to divide the land into 3 and take 2. So if we take 2, which one remaining to the members? And I won't support that because tomorrow they will say, I could not with the FCD and eat the land, which I don't want to support. There's things they normally do. Let her give them off. Okay, take this hectare. Allow us to go and do the work. And up to today, they refuse to do it. Now, the most painful part of it, we went to National Assembly. Before they give us the land in 2015, we went to National Assembly before they give us. Now, to sign the lease agreement, they delayed. We waited for almost 7 years and to 8 years of the past minister. What do? We have no option to go to the minister of National Assembly. The National Assembly have called all the FCTA meeting, the committee on public petition, he have called them. Some of them are called. But they don't want to say the right thing. They are dodging from the truth. So because of that, the National Assembly has said, okay, write letter to them, book an appointment with the FCTA minister so that we have meeting with them. Now they have booked the first meeting. They give us a date. That day we're supposed to come. They say minister have a meeting with Mr. President, which we cannot. It's normal thing. Minister don't know himself. If president want to see him, he must go and answer him. But the issue we have now, since then, the National Assembly have write 8 letters to them to put appointment. Up till now, they refuse to give us appointment. We have sent my secretary and some of them to meet the protocol. The protocol is dodging us. We have been calling him. Okay, give us time, give us date. Let us see the minister. The protocol refused to put a date. And National Assembly said they won't come here unless the protocol put a date. And they said the only thing we can do, let us come here and talk with them, that they cannot do anything unless the only action they will take is the right report. I said, okay, that's why today we decided to come. We didn't come here to fight the minister. The minister is a good man. He haven't done anything bad to us. But the issue is the people around him cannot tell him the truth. They are dodging from the truth. What do we want? Let the minister talk to us. Let us tell him our problem. Because let us tell him the truth. Because those directors are convincing him because they want to eat the land. I know how many times that they call me a meeting. We should give them so amount so that they can sign it. I can't do that because I don't have the money to go back to my people and tell them before they sign this, we'll pay so amount. I don't have the money to say it because they will say I connive with them to do them, which I don't want to do. So what am I saying? My honorable minister, please, I want us to see the minister. Let him talk to us so that we tell him how we feel. We are not fighting him. If you watch our banners, we are supporting him. We are not against him. We didn't come here to fight the government. We come here, if you watch, we didn't disturb the piece of the motor that's going. The only thing, we are in the gate of the entrance so that we seek for their audience to come and see us. Because without that, they won't come out. They will continue being in the office, pretending they didn't know what is happening.
If this is the way you support government, and I refuse to see you, and then what you will do is to wake up in the morning and then to barricade the road, barricade the gate, and then you say you are supporting me. I don't need that support. I don't need it. And what I don't like is intimidation. If you have a problem, tell their problem to me. But if I don't solve it, then you can take another step. Something, sir, we want to see you. There's a problem we're having. We think you can help us to solve that. Then you're coming to say the good things I'm doing. What good things? No, you don't need the good things. So what you should do, tell their people to go. They write to me that you want to see me. Then we'll sit down and talk. But I will not talk with you by these things you are doing here. I'm not one of those ones anybody will come and intimidate. You should know me very well. What I don't like is anybody to say, go there, barricade the place, and then, look, I don't like that. I see this as being sponsored. People coming to study the image of government as if nothing happened. You can see them dialogue. If government had made promise they will give you land, I look at the paper and I will ask question, why was this land not given if it was approved? And that's not a problem. So take your people away. That is the only way I can listen to you. Thank you, God bless you.